Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Untitled School YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss pre-summer homework task of Maths grade 5. Let's see the question. Practice all the questions given in Countdown Book 4 Review of the Year pages 141 to 145. Yes, 146 has been also included, but don't do this page 146. Okay, this is part 1 video. Last year you learned most of the topics of class of Countdown Book 4. So today I will discuss only some questions, okay? From question 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Okay? Students, if you have any problem, any difficulty, you can contact with us, okay? For doing questions 1 to 15. Okay, let's start our lesson. Write the name of the month shown in these dates. They are the dates. Okay, remember, first number 03 is the date, second 05 is the month, okay, and third one 08 is the year. Okay, so very easy. Fifth, the month is this is the fifth month. Okay, which is the fifth month? You know, January, February, March, April, May. May is the fifth month. So you can solve all these questions. 7 means July, 12 means December, 10 means October. Next, question number 17. Using a coin, draw clock faces to show the time. Very simple. This is the clock face. Okay, you have to draw this clock face with the help of a coin. Okay, quarter to 11, quarter to 1, 7:45 hour, 18:25 hour. You have to draw. Yes, this is the time. I know you have learned about the time last year. Yes, what time is it? Tell me. Very simple. 1 o'clock. Yes, what? 30 minutes past 1 or half past 1? Half past 1. Yes. When this is minute needle. Okay, this is hour needle. When minute needle is at 3 means 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. The time is quarter past 4. Quarter past 4. Yes, tell me what time is it? Quarter past 11. Very good. Next. Yes, this is when the minute needles is at 9 means 45 minutes. Okay, you can say, okay, you can say 45 minutes past 3 or quarter to 4 because 15 minutes are left. Okay, you say here quarter to 4. Yes, very simple. Quarter to 10, quarter to 6. Now you have to draw quarter to 11, quarter to 1 and 7:45 hour in this clock face. Okay. Yes, the last question 18:25 hour. This is digital time and 24-hour clock. First I will introduce 24-hour clock here. This is the 24-hour clock. Okay. Remember, the 24-hour clock is a way of telling the time in which the day runs from midnight. 24-hour क्लॉक में डे जो शुरू होता है वो आधी रात को जिस टाइम 12 बज रहे होते हैं तो डे शुरू होता है 24 आवर में, फिर वो चलकर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 11 12 यहाँ नून टाइम होगा 12 ओ क्लॉक में, फिर टाइम 24 आवर में 1 नहीं आएगा, 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 and 24. Here 24 hours completes. Okay, 24 hours complete midnight to midnight and is divided into 24 hours numbered from 0 to 24 and it doesn't use AM or PM. You know, 12-hour clock uses AM or PM, but 24-hour clock does not use AM or PM. Under the 24-hour clock system, the day begins at midnight 0 at the last minute of the day begins 23 hour 59 minutes and ends at 24 hour. Okay, which is same to 0 of the following day. Following day means the next day. Question number 18, write these times in digits. 11 minutes past 5. This is, you have to write all these time in the form of digits. Okay, like suppose a 11 minutes past 5 means 5:11. 5:11. Yes, what time is it? Tell me. Yes, 35 minutes past 7. 35 minutes past 7 and 25 minutes to 8. 25 minutes to 8. And in digits, 7:35. 7:35. Yes, tell me. 50 minutes past 4. 50 minutes past 4 and 10 minutes are left to be left for 5 o'clock. You say 10 minutes to 5. 10 minutes to 5. And in digits, 4:50. Yes. Let's see more examples. 10 minutes past 5, 5:10. 25 minutes past 12, 12:25. Quarter past 9, yes, 9:15. Quarter to 7, 6:45. 9 minutes to 6, 5:51. And 24 minutes to 12, 11:36. I think you will solve all these questions, inshallah. Comes to next question. Very simple. Write the time 4 hours later than. Later means you have to add 4 hours in all these times. Okay, 6:15. When you are going to add 4 hours, it becomes 7, 8, 9, 10. 10:15 a.m. Okay, if you pass 12, you have to change am into pm or pm into am. Let's see this example. You have to convert pm into am in this question. 11:48. Now add 4. 11 becomes 12, then 1, then 2, then 3. 3 hours 48 minutes. Okay, 3 hours 48 minutes, but not pm, am. Okay, now see this example. Yes, 6:15. I have discussed. We have to add 4 hours in the given time. 16 plus 16, 6:15 minutes plus 4 hours, 10:15 becomes. Okay, now 11:48. I have discussed. Okay, I hope you will do C and D. Okay, on your own. Question number 20. What was the time 2 hours earlier than? Earlier means you have to subtract 2 hours from these times. Okay, 1:10 p.m. back 12:11. Okay, 12 and 11:10 here pm, so you have to change pm into am. Okay, yes. Question number 21. Change to 24-hour clock time. Yes, 7:15 am, 19:25 and 10:17 p.m., 3:42 p.m. Let's see. Yes, 7:15. When you are going to change all these time into 24-hour clock, so you have to add 12 hours into given time. Okay, 7:15 you add 12 hours, you get 19:15 hours. I have told you can never write am or pm in 24-hour clock. Okay, never write am or pm. So you have to add only 12 hours into hour. This is hours, 7 hours, and this is minute, 15 minutes. Okay, you have to add 12 hours into 7. 7 becomes 19 hours 15 minutes. Okay, now second one, 10:17 p.m. add 12, 22. Okay, 22, 17 hours. Now 9 and 25 p.m. add 12. Yes, 21, 25 hours. 3 and 42, 3 and 12, 15 hours 42 minutes hours. Okay, 42 hours the answer. We will solve all these questions, inshallah. Now today the last question, write as 12-hour clock time. Now here you have to convert all these time into 12-hour clock time. Remember, if the 24-hour clock time is greater than 12, see this example, greater than 12, greater than 12, greater than 12, okay? Example 18 hours 3 minutes, okay? You have to subtract 12 hours to make it 12-hour clock time. Yes. Example 18 3 hour, 18 is greater than 12, so you have to subtract 12 from 18. It becomes 6. Yes. 12, when you will subtract 12 from 18, it becomes 6 3 p.m. okay, 6 hours 3 p.m. okay. Now if the 24-hour clock time is less than 12, for example 3:15 hours, then this time remains the same, no change, okay, remains that same, and you have to write am, okay. In the above case you have to write pm, and here you have to write am. If the given time is less than 12 hours, you have to change hour into am, and if you find time is greater than 12, so you have to write in the place of hour pm, okay. 3:15 hour becomes 3:15 am simply. So I will hope inshallah you will do all these questions. I hope inshallah. Jazakallah. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.